Hello everyone. My name is Sakshi Singh from MCA Division A first year at Vishwakarma University. And today I'll be giving a quick and practical overview of one of Python's most versatile and commonly used data structures, list. We'll cover how to create them, access items using indexing and slicing, and explore some useful built-in methods that make working with lists easy and powerful. Introduction to list. In Python, a list is an ordered collection of items, which means every item has a position or index. Lists are also mutable, meaning we can change, add, or remove elements after the list has been created. And they can store multiple types of data, even other lists, so they are very flexible and used almost everywhere in Python programming. Creating list. You can create a list by placing elements inside square brackets. For example, my list is equal to under the square brackets 1, 2, 3 creates a list of numbers. List can also be created using the list small brackets constructor, which is especially useful when converting other data types like strings or tuples. Even an empty list is as simple as square brackets. So creating list is super intuitive. Properties of list. List items. List items are ordered, changeable, and allow duplicate values. List items are indexed. The first item has 0, the second item has index 1, and so on respectively. Ordered. When we say that lists are ordered, it means that the items have a defined order and that order will not change. If you add new items to a list, the new item will be placed at the end of the list. Changeable. The list is changeable, meaning that we can change, add, and remove items in a list after it has been created. Allow duplicate. Since lists are indexed, lists can have items with the same value. Indexing in list. Each time in a list has an index. The first item is at index 0, the second at 1, and so on. Python also supports negative indexing, where -1 refers to the last item. This makes it easy to access elements from both ends of a list. For example, fruits 0 gets the first item and fruits -1 gets the last. List slicing. Slicing is used to access a range of elements. You can think of it like cropping a portion of the list. The syntax is list under square brackets start, then stop, then step. If you omit a value, Python fills in the default. For example, number 1 ratio 4 gives items at index 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3 but not 4. It's a powerful tool for extracting parts of a list quickly. Updating list elements. Since lists are mutable, we can change their contents easily. For example, if we want to update the second item in a list, we just assign a new value. Colors 1 is equal to yellow. You can also modify multiple items at using slice assignment, which is useful for batch change. Adding items to a list. There are multiple ways to add items to a list. Appends adds to the end. Insert adds at a specific index. And extend lets us add multiple elements from another iterable like another list. Each of these methods give us flexibility depending on what we want to do. Removing items from a list. To remove items, Python offers remove for deleting a specific value, pop to remove by index, and clear to empty the entire list. For example, nums.pop removes the pop 0 removes the first item and returns it. This is especially useful in algorithms like stack or queues. Useful list methods. Lists also come with many built-in methods. Some common ones include sort to sort elements, reverse to reverse the list, index to find the position of a value, and count to find how many times a value appears. And if you want a copy of the list that won't affect the original, use copy. Conclusion. So to wrap up, lists in Python are powerful, flexible, and easy to use. We looked at how to create them, access them with indexing and slicing, and modify them using built-in methods. If you are just starting with Python, mastering list will give you a solid foundation for working with data and building real-world programs. Now I would like to show you a quick tutorial to implement some basic list operations. Thank you.